the sentence. Now, let's come to the difficult part. What is in here? We'll come to this. Every verb has an imperative form. So we discussed about the regular verbs, that how do we make it. Then now you have here few Trennbare verbs. So let's see how do we make the Trennbare verbs ka imperative. So the first verb for Trennbare is aufstehen. So we have to do it like do के साथ हमें पहले जैसे conjugate करते हैं करेंगे simply do states auf. इसमें से हमें st part हटा देना है तो हमारे पास बच गया stay auf. Aufstehen का do के साथ conjugation states auf. उसके बाद हमारे पास st हटा के बच गया stay auf. तो अगर मुझे रेवती को बोलना है कि wake up 6 tomorrow in the morning, या तो मैं इसको बोलूंगी stay 6 morgen auf. बाकी रूल सेम है, जैसे हम ट्रेनबैरन को लिखते हैं, we have to put the verb and the prefix will go at the end. That won't change. Stay 6 morgen auf. That means wake up at 6 in the morning tomorrow. Yeah. Then we have another verb which is anziehen. Anziehen means to wear. Remember, it's a new verb. Anziehen means to put on clothes. Yeah, put on. Now put on. So we'll do the conjugation with do. Du siehst an, and then we'll move the st parts. It will remain see an. So now, if I have to tell Sana, you have to make a question. You have to make this thing that put on the clothes. Put on the clothes. Yeah. So how would you say it? Clothes का मैं बता देती हूँ. Clothes is Kleidung, die Kleidung. That means clothes. So how would you say it? Put on the clothes. This is your word. See an.
What is the word?
Yeah.
What is the word?
What Sana? I'm not getting your point. What do you say?
On the word, how do we pronounce?
Anziehen. Anziehen and see an. See an.
Okay, so mom, I have to form the sentence?
Yeah. Informal sentence. Put on the clothes. Imperative.
I'm going to be see on die Kleidung.
As I told you, doesn't matter if you are making the imperative sentence, the prefix always goes at the last. जो हमारा normal rule है, Trennbare verb का same rule. So see, bitter, die Kleidung, and last में an. Got it? See bitter die Kleidung an. Put on the clothes. Did you get it, Sana? Okay. Then है aufmachen. Aufmachen is to switch off. Aufmachen is to switch off or to you can say किसी चीज को बंद करना. Aufmachen. तो रेवती, my sentence is to you. Please, sorry, aufmachen. Aufmachen is to switch on or to open something. Aufmachen is to open something. It took me a line. So मेरा आपको sentence है रेवती. तो सना ने बनाया. My sentence to you. Open. Please open the window. Please open the window. This is an instruction to you I have given. Please open the window. The verb is aufmachen. And you have also got the conjugation here, mark auf. So how would you put it in a sentence? Window को हम German में कहते हैं das Fenster. Fenster मतलब the window. So now how are you going to make it?
Mark bitte das Fenster auf.
Mark bitte das Fenster auf. Sorry. Mark bitte das Fenster auf. Very good. So this is how you said open the window. So this is how we conjugate the Trennbare verbs. You should know that Trennbare verbs, the sentence structure remains the same. Yeah, we put the prefix at the end of the sentence. Now, ये तो हो गया do वाला. Year वाला is the easiest thing. आपको बस year की conjugation याद रखनी है. If you can remember the year's conjugation, then you can easily make sentences for plural. जैसे, चलो यहीं पे एक सेटल कर देते हैं एग्जाम्पल. पहले मैंने सना से बोला था, सना कुक प्लीज कुक अ पिज्जा, तो सना ने बनाया था कॉक बेटर दी पिज्जा. लेकिन अब अगर मैं सना और रेवती दोनों को बोलूंगी कि यू बोथ कुक अ पिज्जा, सो कॉकन का ईयर के साथ फॉर्म क्या होता है? व्हाट्स द कॉकन्स फॉर्म विद ईयर? एनीबॉडी? कॉकन का ईयर के साथ फॉर्म क्या होता है? Cocked. So I would simply say cocked. Okay, see. Let me see. Just an example I want to give here. Where is the? I didn't give example of cock. I meant. Okay. Yeah. So I would just say cocked ear. Cocked ear bitter the pizza. So here two things can come up. You have to put the verbs form according to the conjugation of cocked, no change at all there. And then you have to place the verb. For example, another sentence I would be saying, you both of you, I'm giving the order to both Asana and Revati both. I would say, please try to order, please complete the homework or do the homework. So homeworks do is Makhan again, and the conjugation of Makhan with ear is marked. So I would simply say, marked ear, the house of Gaba. That means I'm telling to both of you to complete the homework. Marked ear, the house of Gaba. So making imperative sentences with you plural is very easy. This is what I have written here. Yeah, like you can see the examples. Ear gaped, so gaped, combed, learned. So in some cases, we can also remove the, because if you can see these sentences, when we were making sentences with do, like Sana made, we were not using cock, do, bitter pizza. We were not doing it. We were just writing the verb and then we were writing the another part. In ear, sometimes it can also have ear. Sometimes it can also be like this, marked the house of Gab. So you have to understand that अगर marked है तो मतलब ये एक नहीं दो जन को बोला जा रहा है. It has to be ear formal. It has to be plural. So conjugation देख के you have to figure out that it is for you informal singular or you informal plural. And अगर z रहेगा तो you know that z रहेगा तो we have to make it Makhan z the house of Gaba, मतलब it's a formal request. Yeah. So ये तो हमारे पास कुछ verbs हैं जिसके आपको बनाने हैं imperative and but. कुछ verbs ऐसे